Challenge. Whether we seek it or not, the challenges that face the ag industry are inescapable. One industry accepting the challenge of standing on their own to meet their clients' needs. Yet outside forces continue to influence, continue to force more challenges, more risks. Industrial accidents, governmental regulations, public opinion, retail concerns, legal actions, all compromise their ability for growth and success. Ag retailers must accept and overcome these challenges. The challenge of making sense out of mountains of data to provide valuable knowledge to our clients. The challenge to preserve and enhance the freedoms to operate as necessary to feed a growing global population within limited resources. The challenge of responding to industry events and capitalize on them to improve our relationships and reputations. Yet, with challenge comes change. As ag retailers, we strive to embrace new technologies. We strive for breakthroughs in our understanding and interpolation of data to improve production. We strive to promote sound stewardship principles for our environment to continue to meet our growing needs, all without compromising future generations' abilities to meet theirs. Ag retailers must be adaptable to this change, to face it with an open mind. It seems such a simple concept. We grow and succeed by learning from the knowledge and experience of others. A single thought from a single mind, when shared, can enable us to change our world. The decision to risk is such a simple act, but once the decision to risk is made, it brings forth fundamental change. Change that allows us to understand and benefit from new strategies and market trends. Change that allows us to recruit, develop, and retain the best people. Change that allows us to analyze and adopt new technologies. Change that allows us to act with discipline. Our success depends on our ability to be proactive and shape our own destiny. Ag retailers must envision, develop, and execute winning strategies for our success. Success that depends on our ability to play like a champion.